Alright guys, here I am. I'm at my own premises. As you can see, it's very frosty, very icy looking, and my van got very cold. It's warming up by Maserati. This is how I jumped my van from Maserati. So van battery is underneath my seat and this defroze. Look at the window, been frozen. And same things to Rush van here, completely frozen, as you can see. And I need to go shopping for my restaurant. Rush, that's for you, buddy. That's for roadcraft. Okay, that's a roadcraft. Ta-da! It's too cold, buddy. It's too cold. But this is it. You got to live with. And how am I gonna take this off? I'll show you. That's the magic. De-Icer. This is what you need. You need a De-Icer. This does the magic, guys. This does the magic. Watch me. Check it nicely. And there we go. You got to keep this always in the winter. Oh, it's freezing cold. I can't even do it now. I should have gloves on me. I really should have gloves on me. Hey guys, carry on with that. You better have gloves here with you as well. This is it. This is how you defrost the van or car or whatever you go. This does the magic job right away, not a problem, guys. This is it. This only cost you £1 or £1.50 to buy. But this is fantastic buy, this is, for this winter time. This is -2 at the moment in Nottingham. We are in -2 degree. There we are. I think this should be it. Let's see if my van kicks off or not now. Oh, bugger, it's freezing cold, guys. Where's my van key? There's my van key. Let's see if van kicks off or not. It's been charged up from... Come on, it's not doing anything on. Oh, it needs revving. Maserati needs revving, but I'm on my own. Who's gonna help me out here now? No one is helping me here at the moment. So I need to push something to the pedal. So if I can use this key right now, there would work. I'm on my own. Let's see what I can do. I'm gonna find a stick, Nepalese style. I'm gonna do it by Nepalese style now, guys. Let's put this in a pedal and go and use it. I got it right there. Maybe the other side. All the way around. Oh, it's going volume. Oh, just a little bit short here. A little bit long there. Let's try it from there to here. Oh, bugger. Let's do it this way. Hopefully. Let's do it, guys. Come on. It's still nothing. I don't know what's wrong with it now. It's gonna burn out. Right. Okay, this trick didn't work. I'm freezing. My hands are freezing. It's -2 here. Okay. There. So what's wrong here then? Something is not right. Something is not right. What is not right? Something is not right. It should be alright. This is the way I do all the time, guys. But somehow, some reason, not letting me. Come on. I need to go shopping. Ah. Come on. Driver door open. Yeah, driver door will be open because I'm here. Let's have a cup of tea. Meantime, take a breath, calm down, have a break, cup of tea. And think about what next. I'm gonna call one of my friends who is a mechanic, so he knows what to do with it. Alright guys, I'll leave it here with my coldy day. I'll sort this out somehow. Remember I showed you this, so you keep this one with you all the time. This work does the job. This is it. This does the job, guys. Cool. Oh, my hands is freezing here, as you can imagine. It's -2 degrees here. My van will be starting soon. I plugged it in for a bit more longer. Now, oh bugger, it's cold. Very cold actually. Alright guys, stay tuned, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you guys. I'll sort this out, don't worry about me. Thank you.